Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video I will show you how to add a filter in Instagram Instant. So we all know about Instagram Instant, it's a new feature. So in this video I will show you how to add a filter to your instant post that you are posting it. So we'll go to Instagram DM. Here we'll click on this plus icon, and here you can see the camera will open. So you have to swipe to a left side. So if you will swipe to a left side, you will see you will get a multiple filters option. So you can select whichever you like, and you can click a photo and you can post it whichever you are liking it. So before posting, once try all filter whichever you are loving, you can use and you can post it. So I hope you will find this video useful, and also let me know, do you have this new filter option in your Instagram instant or not. Thank you, thanks for watching this video.